And being a domestic manufacturer really gets you close to the supply chain. Talk to the fact that your ability to get products to market quickly.
Well, here at the food service division, we're pretty much, manufacture to order. We can do it, turn a part around within a week, a leg or anything like that. Hardware, it's probably about the same, building up the finished goods inventory. So we have a really quick turnaround time.
I might add that, the OEMs, we rely on forecasts to build product. Because the last thing, like I mentioned earlier, we do not want to ever shut them down or not be able to provide product. Manufacturing in the U.S. allows us that flexibility to be able to react to changes fast. And so we rely again on the OEM to help us with the planning process, but we have the ability to kind of turn on a dime, if you will.
When I was at the factory, it was a beehive of activity. There's finished goods being moved and scanned and production going on. Can you elaborate a little bit on some of the processes and some of the changes you guys have implemented and how that operation works?
We went to a new software probably, I think it's been 8 years now, where we switched softwares over to a new ERP system. With that ERP system, we now run to forecast. So we are running to a forecast supplied by the customers, and basically run to minimum on hands or minimum runs based on coverage groups. So what you saw there was we keep inventory at strategic levels. By that, I mean, we keep stuff at the raw state in the castings, all the way to the finished state in either chrome or brush chrome, and in some cases paint. This allows us a lot of flexibility when customers call, and they do have a spike. If I have a raw component, I can make any finish that I want. And based on those minimum on hands, it allows us to react fairly quickly. So we would take it through the casting level, through our machining level, leave it in our raw warehouse. And then really we just have to polish it, plate it, and assemble, which dramatically shortens our lead time.
That's great, Sean. Dave, I suspect that's really, really important to your customers as well.
There's times when a customer has to have some specific finish, some specific color, and manufacturing is able to kind of make things happen in a much faster, streamlined basis.
Kason's a true partner to the OEM suppliers.
We try to be, yes.